Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open My Eyes Only on Snapchat without passcode. So first of all, click on the Snapchat mobile application. Now you can see on the left side, you can see a small photo icon. Just click on that. Now scroll over to My Eyes Only. But in order to access that My Eyes section, you have to enter the passcode which is set whenever you actually open up the My Eyes section. So the thing I want to tell you that over here there is no way you can access that My Eyes without a passcode. Relatively you will need a passcode, but instead what I can suggest you is that you can reset the passcode right over here with basically two options. The first one is change passcode and the second one is forget passcode. So if you wanted to change the passcode, click on the change passcode, but well, in this case you have to enter the password of your Snapchat account. So if you do not remember that My Eyes passcode, you have to enter the password of your Snapchat account. So here I will enter my Snapchat account password. Now you can see right over here, when you forget your passcode, you can no longer access my items. If you would like to create a new password, you will lose everything already saved to My Eyes only. So basically this is how it is going to work. Everything under My Eyes, it is going to be deleted once you reset. So tap on the continue button and then you can see it says create a new passcode. So all you have to do is to go ahead and create a new password on the particular page. So let me just go ahead and create a new. So basically this is it. This is the way on how you could actually reset or recover your My Eyes password and open them. But as I told you, there is no other way you could actually open it without a password. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do subscribe my channel and like this video, and see you until the next video. Take care.